Hi everybody. So just got this in from the post office. This one is a signature required. Can't wait to open this. Today I set my alarm clock for early to go post office, but didn't want to wake up. On the other hand, good thing I didn't wake up early, otherwise I would have been very disappointed. Post office don't open till 8 for pickups. So yeah. Let's go look at this. Ah, yeah. Close that up. Put that on the side. Yeah. Look at this. This is gonna be the Rapala X-Rap. I forget what this is called. Otus. Look at that wonderful color. This one's too. Darn. The reason why I bought this is because I have the Peto. The Peto actually brings the fish around to chase, but I'm thinking that the original Peto is just too large. This is much more manageable size for a fish to come along and eat it, or think it's a bait fish. Or the reason why I like this is a hard plastic front, soft plastic tail, so you get the best of both worlds. These tend to kind of sink and mosey on swim. It doesn't give too much of an action, but with the tail it should give kind of plenty. The Peto has that paddle tail. This has a curly tail. The reason why I have these lures on the side of me is to show, like, I got like this soft plastic hoagie. Haven't caught nothing with it. I only just do it one day. Smaller one. Got all these hard plastics. I do rather well with the hard. These ones just came in. The reason why I'm trying to bring like this and this, because you get the best of both worlds. You get the longevity of a hard plastic. Barracuda come up and eat it. I'm pretty sure the tail would be gone if the barracuda comes up and eats it, because barracuda tends to eat the back part. They hit the back usually. So I'm kind of torn between hard plastic and soft plastic, just because of the very fact that this island has kind of plenty barracudas around. They tend to hit the back end. But on the other hand, let's go try to see if it works, because it actually comes with an extra tail. These are cool because I so much enjoyed throwing the Peto, but there's on the other hand, it's just too large, and this is a much more manageable size to carry and everything. Oh shoot, I had to grab the one that's stuck inside. That's all I need is to get poked by troubles. Yeah, I think I'd rather wait until I get my pliers. As I said, all I need is to get poked by troubles, so no thank you. Put that away, nice and hard plastic. Get your split ring pliers, you take off the back treble, this slides off, the tail slides off. Put the tail back on and put on the treble. It holds it securely in place. That's what I like about soft plastics. And soft plastics give good action. On the other hand, they're not very durable. Whenever I'm throwing like curly tails and stuff out, shoots, I'll be lucky I get 5 casts, then I gotta go change the curly tail. But with this, I can see when I was throwing the Peto, I could just keep on throwing it and it's just as durable. But if you get a toothy predator, there goes the back end. So yeah, that's my whole thing about hard plastic, soft plastic. This actually looks kind of cool, but I bought the clearance one, so I didn't get good color. This is a yellow and white. So let's go see if these actually work. I've been waiting around for it because it came from Poland, but it is what it is. And yeah, I have gotta wait to get such lures in because I haven't seen it sold in the US yet. Even you look this up on Amazon, if I'm not mistaken, they don't sell it. Yeah, so I had to kind of choose the 3. They are kind of on the more expensive side, so I had to kind of pick and choose which colors. Sometimes red goes well, a lot of times white, a lot of times a darker color and or a black. So that this one over here is closer towards the darker color or black. Well, anyway, that was my whole thought of everything. Thank you and have a good day.